Have you ever driven down a highway on a blazing afternoon and noticed a road ahead looking like it's rippling? Or maybe you've sat beside a campfire and seen the air above the flames appear distorted, almost as if it's dancing. Most of us notice these strange effects without giving them much thought. I used to wonder about them all the time, but it wasn't until I learned a little about physics that everything finally started to make sense. The explanation is actually much simpler than it seems. It all begins with heat. When air warms up, the molecules inside it gain energy. Instead of moving slowly, they begin bouncing around much faster. As they collide with one another more frequently and with greater force, they naturally spread farther apart. This means the same amount of air now occupies a slightly larger space, making it less dense than the cooler air around it. Now, here's where things get interesting. Since the ground, a road, or a fire heats the air closest to it first, that warm air sits beneath cooler, denser air. Nature doesn't like that imbalance. The cooler air sinks while the warmer air rises, creating a continuous cycle of moving air. These constantly shifting layers aren't visible on their own, but they're the key to the mysterious shimmering effect we see. The real trick comes from light. As sunlight travels toward your eyes, it passes through these layers of air, each with a slightly different density. Light changes speed ever so slightly depending on the density of the material it's traveling through. Every tiny change causes the light to bend, a phenomenon known as refraction. Because the warm and cool air are constantly mixing, the light is repeatedly bent in different directions before it finally reaches your eyes.